Installing a scissor lift in a garage or workshop can be a challenging and time-consuming endeavor. Engineers from Denmark came to the rescue with this device that is simple to install and provides a lot of value. And the business claims that it is a revolutionary lift. It has the ability to lift up to about 7,700 pounds, and the distance between the legs can be adjusted in a flexible manner. The lift height can reach up to 6.4 feet, and the width can be adjusted from 4.3 to 9.8 feet. Thanks to the quick release connection system, the lift is simple to set up and maintain, and it is equipped to work with automobiles, vans, and sport utility vehicles. This 2-in-1 storage solution will assist to minimize clutter and ensure that you always know where everything is located in any workshop, regardless of whether it is run by professionals or amateurs. These drawers, which have a load capacity of around 22 pounds each, and may function both as wall lockers and as carrying cases, are the primary characteristic of the system. This model is very versatile. It's easy to customize for a specific workshop. It will be of interest not only to DIYers, but also to fishermen, hunters, and campers, as well as some other people. The standard set includes a draw, 2 dividers, and a rail. The pricing of a set begins at $140. Now, let's have a conversation about the equipment offered by REMA TIP TOP. It is obvious from the name of this firm that it is doing very well. During the 2020 fiscal year, it was able to achieve revenues of approximately $1 billion, all because of the items that it manufactures for tire repair. The products of the group include vulcanizing heat presses, balancing equipment, and a variety of compounding tools and repair patches similar to those seen on the screen. This patch decreases the amount of repair work that needs to be done by about 40%, does not require any additional ventilation, and is acceptable even for tires that are required to perform in difficult situations. Sanding a tire to make it appear brand new is made possible by a unique compound that has a high level of adhesion. Next up is the product that took first place at the prestigious SEMA show, which is widely regarded as one of the most important venues for the exhibition of auto accessories of all kinds. The tool that we are going to present to you is designed to make the process of cleaning air ducts and drain holes much simpler and more efficient. Professionals recommend that you clean these areas at least a couple times a year because a wide variety of dirt gradually accumulates in these spaces. The kit has a weight of around 15 ounces. The packaging is compact and it is quite simple to use. Yet, unexpectedly, they are asking for $450 for it despite the fact that it does not include a screwdriver. On your screen is a 3D wheel alignment stand that makes the work of technicians easier. The major feature is the machine vision system using high-quality cameras. A properly completed wheel alignment not only increases safety on the road, but it also lowers wear and tear on your tires. It first makes a replica of the suspension on the computer, and then, for a higher level of precision, it compares its state to that of the reference model. A variety of specialized targets are affixed to the wheels in order to facilitate the aiming process of the device. One of the most significant benefits of these systems is that they can be put to use immediately after installation. No calibration is necessary, and they can even be used in repair shops alongside inspection pits and elevators. Despite these benefits, the systems are quite expensive, with prices beginning at $15,000. What do you do when you need to remove multiple fasteners at the same time? In this situation, multi-spindle attachments with an adapter for a variety of cordless tools come in handy. One of the biggest advantages is the ability to find the ideal template for each specific operation, such as drilling, countersinking, or tapping. The rich selection of accessories shortens the work cycle, and since the spindles are powered by the same motor, they rotate at the same speed, ensuring high work quality. This tool greatly simplifies wheel removal and mounting, allowing you to adjust the torque between 450 and 650 Newton meters. So it will be of great use to professionals who repair and maintain heavy equipment, like tractors and harvesters. This tool will also be of great value to professionals who repair and maintain trucks and other types of heavy equipment. You no longer have to struggle with long levers, pushing them with your whole body and risking injury. It's also much more comfortable in confined spaces and allows even one person to do an impressive amount of work. The company is also willing to make a model with a 1000 Newton meter if the customer requests it. This next device serves a purpose not dissimilar to the one described before. It helps if a fastener is rusted or stuck. Just 15 seconds of induction and heating is enough to solve the problem. In addition, the tool will also be useful for repairs. For example, it will straighten small dents in the body, help with heat shrinking parts, and heating for vinyl coating. The design of the device allows you to heat just the right path of the piece without damaging the rest. In addition, the heating will go evenly across the entire circumference. That is, if you don't have to worry about hot spots or cold spots along the circumference. The device starts at $650. The following item is a patented device that operates utilizing springs. The video walkthrough is only 1 minute and 30 seconds long, and the design provides both resilience and safety. The tool weighs about 33 pounds and can withstand a load of 4,000 pounds. You'll need a vise for work, and the provided safety ropes will make it safer. The spread of the model is up to 8 inches, and the price for it is $300. Similar products can only dream of. Unfortunately, some people complained about it in the comments since it's easy to scrape or crumple parts when using the tool. The mechanics who work on vehicle frames and bodies will find this approach to be very helpful. According to the description, the version that is being shown has a lifting capacity of approximately 7,700 pounds and an adjustable height ranging from 4.3 inches to 5.6 feet. It is a small version built with high alloy steel tubing using European advanced technology. It is so convenient that the worker can handle the job alone, and the built-in casters, which are similar to those found in supermarket shopping carts, help it to move around. Considering that there were 947 million passenger cars on the roads of the world in 2014, it is the year 2022, and according to the timetable established by the Terminator trilogy, cyborg assassins will be here in a few years. In the meanwhile though, let's take a look at this Terminator that is designed to repair windshields. It will do all the work for you, the manufacturer promises, but that is not completely true. You will still need some preparation. But after that, all you have to do is set the program you need, and you can go about your business. This is the only solution with this degree of automation available on the market, according to the website at the company. The repair is done by a vacuum, and it is useful for chips, cracks, and other defects that cause dirt and moisture to accumulate. However, you will still need to do some preparation. I can use this. This one is actually a great gift for a garage. According to the manufacturer, this is the quickest and most effective technique to install flexible CV boots with diameters of up to 4.5 inches. Any driver with experience knows that the CV joint, also known as the constant velocity joint, is very important, works under heavy load, and a ripped or worn boot will significantly limit the joint's service life. The tool seen on the screen operates with compressed air, making it easier to change the boot. Keep in mind that it requires a flexible CV boot because regular ones are often too hard for this kind of installation. Users clarify in the comments that the figure on the price tag is $248. The video tutorial is only 5 minutes long, and the design is so successful that the manufacturer recommends the model for professional workshops as well. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe. Next is a joint play tester, which is used to test the chassis and steering of a vehicle, and it can discover axle problems, for example. It does not require power, pressurized air, or anything else. It is compact, and it is appropriate for vehicles weighing up to 7,700 pounds. The system enables you to swiftly mimic a range of road circumstances, such as cornering on both axles, see clear results, and immediately present it to the client while simultaneously explaining what has to be addressed on their vehicle. A master mechanic was responsible for the design of the system, which has a combined weight of approximately 141 pounds and a cost of $1,667. Great Christmas gift for the mechanic of the family. If you like this video, there are more where that came from. Check out our other videos.